Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get the refund of your course which you have bought on Udemy. Before starting the video, I must tell you that if the course which you have bought exceeded 30 days, then unfortunately Udemy won't give you the refund of that course. But if the course didn't exceed 30 days, then you are in luck. I'm here to help you guys. So just click udemy.com and you are going to come to this page. From here you just click my learnings, or you can toggle your mouse over your account section and click my learning. After that you are going to redirected to this page. You will see all the courses which you have bought. For me this is one course, and for this video I'm just clicking on this one. After that, just go to the top right corner. You will see this three dot. Just click it, and if the course didn't exceed 30 days, you will see a box which will help you to get the refund. For me, this course which I have selected exceeded 30 days. I think I have bought this course 1 year ago, so that is not even possible to get refund. But if in your case the course is less than 30 days, then there will be a box. You just need to check it and just need to say why you want to refund, or some questions Udemy might ask. That will be as simple as no. So after you provide all your information, your course refund will be sent to you. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative. If you do found it, then please like it and subscribe. Please like it and please subscribe to my channel.